Hey Andrew, what's a simple fix most people overthink?
When it comes to cars in general, it's either going to be brakes, because for the most part, very simple, nothing too crazy. The most complicated it gets is you have to connect the computer within the car and then unrelease the calipers. That's about as difficult as it gets. The second thing, probably going to be exhaust. With everything exception of the exhaust manifold, it's relatively easy, just bolt on, bolt off. They're not too complicated.
Hey Eric, what's a simple fix most people overthink?
Probably oil changes, and not because it's hard or they are overthinking. Maybe they just don't have the time to do it. That's why they don't do it on time, and then at the end that is going to cause problems. So yeah,
Or they're
definitely oil
just
changes.
lazy.
Yeah, they're just lazy.